Next natural disaster is drought. A drought is simply a long period, usually a season or more, of dry weather where less than normal or no precipitation falls. Precipitation is any form of moisture such as rain, snow, sleet, etc. Drought happens when it does not rain for a long time. This makes the land dry, lakes, ponds, streams, and wells dry up. People have to use less water when there is a drought to make sure there is enough to drink. Plants and crops wither and finally die. Animals to suffer. People die of famine after a long period of drought since there is an acute shortage of food. See, drought means that long period of dry weather when rain will not occur. No, that long time of dry weather is called as drought. A drought is simply a long period of dry weather where less than normal no precipitation falls. Precipitation means what? That any form of moisture such as rain, snow, sleet will not be there. No, that is called as precipitation. That droughts, no, that happens when it does not rain at all for a long time, and this makes the land, because of this drought, no, it makes the land dry. Because of that drought, that land will become dry, and the lakes, ponds, streams will also get dry up. Okay, that people have to use less water, and that plants and crops, no, they wither and finally die up. Wither means that become dry. Plants will become dry and finally they will die. And also for animals and people, also sometimes animals and people also will die because of the famine. Okay, after a long period of drought, since there is no acute shortage of food and water, animals and people also will die. Next, floods. Floods happens during heavy rain, when rivers overflow, when ocean waves come on shore, when snow melts too fast, or when dams break. Flooding may be only a few inches of water, or it may cover a house to the rooftop. Floods that happen very quickly are called flash floods. Flooding is the most common of all natural hazards. See, flood happens because of the heavy rain. When that rivers overflow, and that ocean waves comes to the shore, no, and sometimes that snow also melts fast, very fast, and sometimes dams will break, no, that a flood will occur. Flooding may be only few inches of water, or sometimes it may occur like it covers a house till the rooftop of the house. Sometimes that flood will cover the rooftop of the houses. Okay, flood that happen very quickly are called as flash floods. Flooding is the most common to all the natural hazards. Next, let us learn about the hurricane, typhoon, cyclone. These are all the different names for the cyclones. Okay, it is a strong tropical storm with a fast spinning wind. The speed of the wind causes a lot of damage. Today, people can predict those storms with the help of satellite images. Storms like these are called by different names in different places. For example, over the Bay of Bengal and the northern Indian Ocean, it is called as cyclone. In Japan, it is called as a typhoon, while a hurricane is the name given to the tropical storms in the southern USA. See that a storm is a strong tropical storm is called as that spinning wind. tropical storm with fast spinning wind, that is called as cyclone. Okay, cyclone means that it is a strong tropical storm with fast spinning wind. The speed of the wind causes a lot of damage. Today people can predict the storm with the help of satellite images. Okay, satellite image, because of the satellite images they can predict the storm. Storms these are called by different storms. No, these storms are called by different names, different in different places. For example, over the Bay of Bengal and the northern Indian Ocean, no, it is called as cyclone, and in Japan it is called as a typhoon. Okay, while a hurricane is the name given to the tropical storms in the southern USA. Means in USA, no, southern USA, the cyclones are called as hurricane. Okay, these are the different names given for the cyclones or storms. Dealing with natural disaster. How to deal with the natural disaster? Most natural disaster cause a lot of problems to the people. They affect the crops, drinking water, hygiene, transport, etc. It is usually results in an outbreak of various diseases. The government is trying to create awareness amongst the people about various natural disaster. The people also need to help the government by teaching themselves and those around them the need to recognize any natural disaster and react in an organized and helpful way. People should be trained to do the following. See, most of the natural disaster cause for a lot of problem for the people. Okay, they affect the crops also, drinking water, hygiene, and transport, etc. They affect. Okay, it is usually results in an outbreak of the various diseases. The government is trying to create awareness among the people about various natural disaster. The people also need to help for the government by teaching themselves and those around them the need to recognize any natural disaster and react in an organized and helpful way. People should be trained to do the following. Let us see what are they.